view is unreal. Oh my gosh.
If you've been following along, we posted the first of our NC500 series last week. After converting our SUV into a camper, we started on one of the most infamous road trips in the world and headed up to Scotland. In that film, we made it from Inverness up to just beyond John O'Groats, where we turned in for the night. So let's pick up where we left off.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We slept great and finally, for the first time in 6 months, fell asleep listening to the waves, and it was absolutely beautiful. Had a good night's sleep, did you?
Yeah, it was just like being back in Oz a little bit. We were parked by the ocean, we could see the waves out the back of the car. It was really, really nice.
It was a lovely morning, and we got up and made some coffee and drove to another beach down the road, which was meant to be nicer.
Yeah.
But I think we should stay where we were. The rain has started, and we are remembering that we are in Scotland and not, in fact, in Australia. I mean, I think it would be beautiful on a nice day. The cliff edge is lovely, but we'll enjoy our coffee, and we have a muffin for breakfast, and then I think we'll hit the road.
Yeah, we'll enjoy it with this little rain-splattered view, I think.
And just like that, it's sunny skies. It's cleared up. It's a bit windy, but this town's cute. Very cute. The waves aren't so good, but this is meant to be a really good spot for surfing. But we only have a couple of days to do the NC500. We definitely have not given ourselves enough time, so we need to make some tracks, hit the road.
We continued along the stunning coast to Melvick Beach, which genuinely made us question whether this was actually Scotland, or if we'd been transported back to the South Australian beaches.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. Scotland! What the hell? What is this place? Scotland's amazing. This weather. Jesus. This isn't Australia. Well, obviously I'm wearing a beanie. This isn't Australia. Oh.
There's our car. And here's the beautiful beach. There's Shelley.
Due to our tight time crunch, we couldn't stay for long and were soon back on the road. Not that that's such a bad thing with views like this.
Look out for the sheep. I'm looking at you, Sue. There's a little cupboard, bakery, cakery. You can get your cakes.
But not today.
But it's Tuesday, and they're only open Wednesday to Saturday, which is very sad because a morning cake would have been an absolute treat. Oh well, onwards. Shelley's driving. What a treat. That's my treat, is Shelley's driving today.
Hey, I actually do drive. I want to take a really pretty picture, but our car's not finished and there's like pencil marks. I mean, it looks fine, but I can't wait to paint it when we get back to London next week, and it's gonna look finished and be good. But basically we've learned the hard way that you just need to travel in it first, see what actually works and what doesn't, and then we're gonna go back and fix it, and it's gonna look nice, but for now it's unfinished and a mess. But this view is beautiful. Anyway, we'll have to survive. It's just a picture. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I need to stop! Oh my god. Scotland is so beautiful. Look at that mountain, the misty, and the cloud coverage.
Can you see him?
Next up was clearly not Scotland's best kept secret, Smoo Cave.
So we're down at Smoo Cave.
Touristy.
It's the busiest place we've seen so far. Actually quite a lot of cars, the car park's pretty full. So let's see what it's all about.
There's people dressed up. There's people got helmets and stuff on them. They're going caving. Ooh, it'll be cold in the water here.
It's freezing.
Looks pretty cool though.
Does that cool?
Don't get me wrong, it is a stunning cave, but just be prepared for crowds, even when you're this remote.
So apparently you're allowed to come in here. I thought this was for like tour guides only, so it might actually get better. Oh, I take it back. That was really cool. I didn't even want to go inside and do the tour now. So we found this very nice little park up, and just you wait till we walk over that hill. There's a beautiful caravan up there, park up there with a view. But our setup's going pretty well, I think. Obviously this very much needs a paint, because if you look close it's not done. You see my shadow there. We need to paint this. We spilt some food on it last night. This doesn't stay up. This like falls every time, so it's a bit of a mish that. But other than that, it seems to be working out pretty well, doesn't it, Bench?
I think so.
Making some toast and some eggs and avocado for a yummy lunch. We're gonna go sit in the sun and enjoy the view. Pretty stoked, especially in summer. This is gonna be the one. Scotland, are you serious? This is... I'm actually gobsmacked. This is like Western Australian van life standards. However, I'm wearing a puffer jacket. That is the one downside. But oh my god, the sun, the blue. Oh, Ben's just on bringing food over duty. I've set up the picnic and oh yeah, and if that's not good enough, oi! It's Ben, hi! I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. I mean, I literally cannot get over the fact that this is Scotland.
It's beautiful.
I know, if we weren't wearing puffer jackets, well, let me see, does it look good? Oh yeah!
So we're currently at Durness Beach. It is absolutely incredible. But the sun has sort of started to go. Shelley's just doing some yoga over there. And it's getting pretty cold. Scotland's reminding us once again that we are actually in Scotland, not in the Med or elsewhere. But it's absolutely beautiful. Check out this footage I just shot on the drone. We've got mountains on one side,
Cool rocky bridge.
on a little bridge, and then beaches to the other.
So blue.
From stunning sunny views to rainy heat.
To be fair, it's only been 15 minutes, but we have just 15 minutes driven up a hill. So, yeah, we've also run out of water in our windscreen wipers. Just stalled it. I just stalled it. I forgot I had the foot on the clutch. Oops. Oh, it's so pretty. We've left the beachfront, we're in the mountains, and it's instantly cloudy and moody, and it's actually so beautiful. Let's show you. beach. Let me show you a picture.
We have just pulled up at an unreal place. Shelley's just taken an absolute dream photo. She's about to show me. You're seeing what's live reaction. Wow, that's insane.
Such a shit reaction. That's so fake.
Actually, that actually wasn't fake. That was real. That's an unreal picture. We'll put it on the screen now. Oh, that's so good.
It's okay.
I'm gonna chuck the drone up and show you guys.
With every hill and turn, Scotland was just taking our breath away. I'd only ever been to Edinburgh before, so to explore this whole other side of the country was just incredible. The whole of the northwest coast is so different to the east. It's far more rugged, more remote, and more scarce of people in general. It reminds us a lot of northwest Australia. It's just not quite as warm.
I feel like I'm in Australia.
A little bit, yeah.
So far, we've had a pretty mega day. We've been up all day driving. We essentially haven't stopped taking pictures all day. It's just been so breathtaking. Every corner is a new mountain, there's a new lake. Pretty ridiculous. And we've just pulled over for a potentially found a camp spot for the night. Top of this kind of range.
I want to go see a beach first, which is 5 minutes down the road.
Yeah, we're gonna check out this beach 5 minutes away first, and then maybe we'll come back here for dinner and to sleep.
This is insane. It kind of reminds us a bit of Sunny Coast, back where we used to live. Glass House Mountains. So pretty. But on our way to find a beach,
Just like the
somehow
Sunny
there's
Coast.
reception.
We found refuge for a little afternoon stack on Ackmelveg Beach, tucked right away on the west coast.
So we did accidentally get conned into paying £2 for parking for 5 minutes, so paid for an hour, but this beach is beautiful. We got to go to the toilet. It's a bit of a weird area. It's just all a bit shanty town, random caravan parks, bits everywhere, which obviously we like caravan parks, but this beach makes up for the roads. Not so pleasant. Won't be staying here tonight, but this beach is lovely, so I think we might have a drink, maybe heat up some dinner, sit by the beach. It's not too cold or windy, which is a really nice surprise. Anyway, check out the beach. Very Lord of the Rings-esque.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously. Honestly, I keep saying that, but I'm blown away. Completely. Alright, classic Scotland. We've got some castle ruins with this stunning view. Oh, imagine living in that back in the day. We don't wanna be they're just, oh my god, they're so beautiful. Hey, be quiet, they can hear 'em.
We found an amazing park up for the night in the Knock and Crag Nature Reserve. There are so many great camps in Scotland, and a lot of them are either free or on a donation basis. How good.
I mean, this sunset.
Join us next time as we carry on exploring this incredible country and more of what this epic road has to offer.